Alright, so we back with another video. As y'all can see, I got a box right here. Can't show y'all too much because, show my address. But it just came in the mail. I just opened it with the, whatever this is, because I'm one-handed. I can't be doing all that. But I got these off eBay. Throw that out. Damn. So these are the taillights I ended up going with. I got the ones with the ring around. I know most people be having like the white ones, the clear ones, but I don't really fuck with those. I like more the OEM look. So I ended up getting these. Let me open them real quick so I can show y'all. My fault. Alright, so this is what they look like. As you can see, they're red with the little ring and then white at the bottom. These are the last ones in the stock. That's why I ended up ordering them. Because they're pretty sick. I'm going to throw them on the car in a minute. I just need to get ready. But, yeah. I'm going to get back with y'all when I'm outside, putting them on the car, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it, too. It's pretty self-explanatory. Pretty easy, yeah. Alright, so this is what you got to do. It's pretty windy out here, so don't mind the wind. Damn, I got a bunch of stuff back here. Some detailing stuff, I'll be washing cars and shit. Fuck that shit. Alright, so first you gotta take off this right here. OEM taillights. You gotta unscrew this. It's 3 of these. Is this one, and then there's one on top, and then there's supposed to be one right here. I don't got it though. I don't know why. But I'm taking these out real quick. Hold on. I'm taking these out real quick because I gotta take them bulbs out. They're like the white reverse bulbs. They look pretty cool, so I need to put those in the new lights because they got like them little ugly ones. And there's another one. Oh, there's another one over here. Yeah, that's where it's at. My fault. It's not the one over here. And it's just coming out pretty easy. So it won't fall. Let me hold it. Alright, so that's all you gotta do. And then it'll come out. And then you got this clip right here holding it in. You just push down on this and pull it. Hold on, let me put the camera down. And that's it. That's how you take the rear tail lights out on the 2006 300. And now I'm gonna take these bulbs out and put them in the new ones. Let me take this side out too, just cause. One on top, another one on the side. Hold on, let me put the camera down. This shit hard. As you can see, this one got a red tab. I'm pretty sure the other one's supposed to have it too, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't care as long as it holds it in. So all you gotta do is push it and pull. Fuck. Alright, so that's it, guys. Both of the tail lights out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the reverse lights out, and then I'm gonna show y'all when I'm putting the new ones back in. Alright, so we ran into a problem here. I guess I can't change them because this is like different. This just comes out of this little gold piece, and then this one is like this. You feel me? So this bulb ain't gonna fit. That's messed up because I really like these. So I'm just gonna have to deal with this, I guess. I don't care, it's whatever. I'll probably try to see if I can get some white bulbs, but like this though, because you push them in and you just like twist it and it should come out. But I'm gonna just end up putting these back in though. I can't do nothing about it for now. So it's whatever. That's fucked up though. I'm gonna just put this one back in. I'm gonna go install these and then test them on so I can show y'all guys on video to see how they look with everything on. Alright, so that's how it looks. It looks pretty good. As y'all can see, they working. Well, just that's working. I don't know yet about this. Let me just install this other side real quick, and then I'll turn the car on and try them. See how they look. But it's like the fitment is like off, or I don't know if I'm just tripping, but it's like the quarter panel pokes out more than the headlight, and I don't really like that, but I don't know. Hopefully that's normal. Okay, I don't really like that, you know, that gap. I'm finna bring out a OEM tail light and put it on and see what it look like. But yeah, let me go back inside and grab the other one so we can turn the car on and see how it looks. As y'all can see, I was not tripping. It's a big difference. See, this one lays flush with the shit, and then this one, it's all in it. You feel me? Like it got like an edge around it, and this one just lay flush with it. This one I like type shit. Fuck it, it's windy as hell out here. I'm just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. I mean, I already bought the tail light, so fuck it, I guess. That's what happens when they're not OEM like these. But yeah, let me take these screws out. Like the little gap, but they on. Let's see, turn the lights on. Jeez. Yeah, these boys way sweeter than the OEM ones. These look like the newer version taillights. Damn, yeah, they look way better. Hold on, let me put the trunk down real quick. I ain't even put the bolts in for this one yet, but just to let y'all. Sheesh. Yeah, these look way better. As y'all can see, it's pretty windy out here. Don't mind the wind. Big 6-piston Brembo. They doing good. Bumper falling off. Fuck that shit. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I was just showing y'all my new tail lights and how to put them on. Pretty easy, as y'all can see. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out. The video was over, but I just wanted to show y'all how they look at night. See, it's dark, but you know we under the light, so it's cool. My boy over there pulling up. Shit. Nah, but yeah, that's how they look at night. Damn. There's gonna be a video up on that soon too. Taking delivery of that.